This is the BMI project, and so far what we did was we declared variables for feet, inches, meters, kilograms, BMI, and weight. And then we also did intimeters for the inches to meters, which is 0.025. And then we initialized the variables with the user input by asking what is their height, and with the feet only, as you can tell here, and then just your inches here, then your weight in pounds. Then we took that, we did all these convert variables to the equation, and then we actually did the equation itself, kilograms divided by meter squared. Then we got our body mass index, which is this right here. And this is my body mass index right here.